So here is the circuit diagram of a pulse induction type PI type metal detector, and I will try to provide the link um, for the whole file where all the bottom layer and top layer are printed, so that you can print and make your own in a small little circuit board. These are two potentiometers. One is for setting the pulse width of the 555 timer, and another one is for adjusting the sensitivity. And here is the 100k, and here is the 2k. So I didn't have 2k, so I have botched one 10k, but it still works. But you have to just dial it for your convenience. Don't exceed it too much, or else it will draw quite a lot of current, because MOSFET will spend most of the time turned on, so not going to affect much of the detection, but draws a lot of current if you have not properly tuned it. I would recommend 151 Hz of oscillation. And here is the overall circuit that I have built. And here is a audio amplifier LM386. This is externally added. So the connection part is, you can see the transistor, the NPN transistor. Here is the I have used 12k resistance, and then I have bodged the this connection with a small 10 microfarad capacitor, and going into the LM386 audio amplifier, and the rest of the connections are as it is. So only I have connected this wire is going into the transistor, and then I have bodged the capacitor. So after that this actually works, and all the noise that I can detect, I will attach an video. And this is the overall circuit, and here is the MOSFET. In here I have used N channel MOSFET, which is, you can see, M3016P. This will work, or else you can use IRF 730, or else you can use IRF Z44N. And here is the LM that is the 4558, and here is the ne555. So this will generate the pulse, and then the 4558 will detect. So although 4558 is a poorer choice, you can use TL084 if the op-amp has the CMOS input. This will be much more faster, and detection would be much more sensitive. So make sure if you can upgrade your circuit such that it can get a little more sensitive than this. For ideal case, this will draw about at 12 volt about 40 milliamps or something. And for convenience, I have added a small little boost converter, and providing a stable 12 volt, so that the operating point will not drift due to voltage. And here's an on off switch, and a volume control, and a small little audio jack for headphones, and that is being bypassed for the speaker and such. So you can adjust on your own perspective. So here is the this potentiometer will provide the pulse width for the MOSFET, and this potentiometer will adjust the sensitivity. So, and for the coil, I have coiled around this I think it's a 1 mm diameter wire, and it was coiled around I think it's 30 centimeter diameter, and the whole thing is wrapped up in a PVC pipe, which is then heated and molded into this shape. And here is a T-joint for conveniently connected with a PVC pipe, or 20 mm PVC wiring pipe that you know. and those two terminations are taken, and those two wires are going to connect to that point. And about this is the L1 coil, and yeah, this actually works, and it's a PI type, quite sensitive actually. So yeah, I will post the video attached, and yeah, that's the metal detector.
उल्टा